Welcome to the 8 Companies Video Project Showcase. I'm Victoria, and today I'm going to talk about this website that I discovered while I was looking for the value of an Indian head penny that I found. The purpose of this video is to kind of show you not how you can make a bad website good, but how you can make a decent website even better. Now, this website has plenty of good features. It's very well organized. It has, all the different things that you could possibly be looking for over here. It's kind of uncommon to have a navigation bar down the side. Usually it's at the top, but that's okay. That's acceptable. And then, it's got some other stuff over here, some kind of affiliated links. And the text is very readable. Everything is divided into different categories, just the way that our brains like to have it. But to me, looking at this, I feel like this is not a very sharp website. I think it looks professional enough that I feel comfortable being on it and using its resources. I don't know how I would feel if it was asking me for my credit card information. So that's something that I really look for if I am using a website where I need to purchase something. I probably wouldn't purchase something from a website like this. So let's talk about what could be better about it. I think the colors are really boring. I think this gray here in the background doesn't look like it was on purpose. It looks like it's a place where a background is supposed to go and the owner just kind of opted out of it. And then I think this kind of oatmeal and beige colors and the brown, I think, are very, very dull. And I realize that it is a website for coins, but at the same time, they kind of want you to get excited about coins. They want you to start your coin values discovery. This is for people who are into coins, who are collecting pieces of history. And I feel like maybe it does need to just jump out at you a little bit more, even though the subject matter itself is not seemingly that exciting if you are not into it. If you're into it, it probably is really exciting. So those are just a few things. And then what I did was I decided to do a mock-up of what I think would be a better version of this site, and the kind of thing that the 8 Company could do for you if you have a site like this that really just needs a little kick, a little more sparkle, and how we can help with that. So stay tuned for part 2. Welcome back to the 8 Companies Video Project Showcase. This is the second half of our coin website revamp mock-up. So, as we talked about before, there are some boring colors, just a really uncompelling site, and this is what we've done with it. So, I don't know about you, but I see a big difference. The colors are just friendlier. You've got this kind of cool, professional, like sort of dark teal and then dark blue, going on, but also complemented by this warm yellow. You still have just really basic everything the way that they had it here in the old site, where we have the sidebar navigation and the extra links. We kept that. We even kept these, the little images that they were using, and of course the same images, but we bordered them with blue instead. Like, these are kind of bordered with the same color, that tan beige. We weren't actually able to change the beige in these images because these aren't our images. They belong to the Coin Study website. But if we would have taken this even further, what we would have done is probably removed the background and the border altogether and just had these coins sitting right on the white background, just like as cutouts, because cutouts are really nice. When you have everything in boxes, it can be just too boxy, because all these lines and compartments create just a lot of boxes. So if we can keep some of the things out of boxes, it's nice, just for variety. But yeah, so we kept everything. We kept all the links. We kept all the titles, the articles, and everything. We just changed some of the colors on the headers. We changed the font. a little bit, and we changed the links. Those basic bright blue underlined links are kind of cliche in our opinion, so we like to have a little more variety. And you can know that it's a link just by hovering, and you have a clue by the fact that it's a different color. And when you hover, sometimes you do see the underline. So yeah, that's what we did. And if you just compare back and forth, we kept the same idea, like having the coin in the logo, switched the coin just for fun. But kind of creating more of an interesting logo for this particular purpose, that you have different colors, a little variation, like these are all lowercase and we have some kind of shortened uppercase, so that they're the same height. And just for visual variety instead of just having everything all in one font in one line. So that's the kind of thing that we can do for you. And this is just on a simple level. I mean, we could change something like this to be even more vibrant if you wanted. We just wanted to give you an idea of little tiny changes that can make big differences, and bigger changes will make even bigger differences. Like I said, having these cut out, kind of like this one sitting right on the page, would make an even bigger difference. And maybe even putting these links on a navigation bar on the top and having just these headers as the main pages, and then actually having these show up in a drop-down menu. We could do things like that. So that's what we do. We like to improve things. So I hope you like the demo, and thanks for watching.